Hello, for this tutorial I'll be showing you how to automate product campaigns. So that's basically automating or automatically posting your campaigns on different campaign platforms. That is the Facebook and Twitter we added in previous tutorials. Okay, so from your dashboard you'll navigate to campaigns and then click on the automate drop down. This has 3 steps. So the first step is scheduling. So that's basically selecting a date, time and platform you'd like your products to be posted. So we'll choose some random dates and time, and then for this demonstration we'll use in Twitter. We'll then go to campaign templates. So this is basically the name. Here is the name of the campaign. For this one we'll be using mask. Seeing we have a mask added as a product, so we'll just modify these to reflect that. Campaign return link is basically how users can get back to you. So it would be good to add your store link here, your store URL, so they can get more information or possibly buy your products after seeing them on your campaign platforms. So here is basically you'd add your campaign template here, and then to the right we'll have a preview of what users will see on their campaign platforms. And then we can go ahead and confirm products. So we'll choose automatic. So this is basically choosing 8 products at random, or you can change it to manual where you choose the product you want to create the campaign for. But for this demonstration we'll use automatic, and then we click automate.